Hello and welcome to day 16 of my 365-day streaming marathon. Um, Apologies again. Still under the weather, so this is going to be a short stream tonight. But we're going to use it to scratch my itch that I've had for a little while now and jump back into some space trucking, some Elite Dangerous. So for the backstory, I played this a while back, um, pretty religiously. Um, until about the time they put the expansion out for it. And I think that's about when I dropped off. And everything has changed quite a bit from what I've seen. And I don't have the expansion because I don't have. The Australian dollar is not conducive to buying things in US dollars right now. Um, but I just want to try and find my feet again in this, being that Star Citizen is not in a super playable state just yet. So, something happened to my chat. Where'd chat go? Sorry. There we go. Chat's back. Apologies if I missed anyone saying anything. Um, okay. So, how do I anything? Yeah. I won't be talking very much. I'll do my best, but my voice may disappear on me. Let's just go out for a fly and actually just return to surface. We'll see if there's anything selling here, and then. Ooh, okay, right. Okay. My canopy appears to be quite trashed. Ooh, and my hull is at 5%. Ooh, that's wow, I didn't log out in good condition, did I? Do we have any means of repairing? Apparently. Alright. Well, that seems like a good first order of business, is unbreaking myself.
Cannot comply. Landing gear retracted.
That's right. I think you got a Python shortly before I stopped playing. Um, and I was trying to turn it into a bit of a combat machine, but I never really quite got there. I'm not going to blame the Python, so let's just go with it was probably me not flying it properly. But I'd like to get up to an Anaconda just so I can at least say that I've done it. Even though it's probably not. Okay, apparently I wasn't Super Cruise. Damn thing's so quiet I couldn't tell. Nothing in here has changed very much. is this so slow? I know the reason why, but it's still frustrating. So I'm playing in open. Hopefully wherever I happen to be is not somewhere that anybody really cares about anymore. So that's the thing. Like back when I was playing, like you knew that if you went near the Lave cluster, you were going to meet people and have a um, generally interesting time. But from what I've seen, it sounds like Lave isn't really the happening place anymore. Here's a question: do I even have enough money to repair this thing? 7 million. That seems like enough.
Docking request granted.
Thank you.
Warning, landing gear not deployed.
Right, that might help.
Landing gear deployed. Docking successful. Engines disengaged.
Yeah, that's not so bad. Let's see how. Oh yeah, that's not very populated. See if we can get out of here quickly. So does that mean it's yeah, okay. I wonder if those trading websites are still relevant. Oh, okay. So they're slaves and imperial slaves now. Hmm. Wait, slaves are produced by agriculture? Okay. I'm just gonna leave that one alone. Oh wow, there's not even any cargo space on my Python. Well, there goes that idea. Um, okay. Where's a ship that's a bit more relevant? Hopefully I didn't sell all my other ships to buy this thing. Nope, I did not. Pretty sure those are ships. What have I got? Well, we're gonna have to go for a bit of a drive to find them. Cobra, Sidey, Viper, and another Sidey. That is not an inspiring collection. I feel like Cobra is probably what we want to be going for. I guess Cobra is. How long is that going to take? Will we spend our entire stream today just trying to get back to where I parked my ride? Can I even get there? Apparently. Economy. Where are we going? We don't need economy.
Ship released. Engines engaged. Landing gear retracted.
I'm impressed I can even remember my key bindings. So let's have a quick peek at one of my old reference points. See if they are still being. Oh, yeah, hello. Maybe now is not the time to be having the window closed. Apparently my stream quality is not very good. That's weird. I haven't tweaked anything. It's quite a delay. Maybe Twitch is being weird today. Oh boy, people's interacting with my Twitter about my tweet saying that I was streaming. Recent experience, there's probably a tweet bot, but I appreciate it nonetheless. I guess I should be flattered. again for populated star systems in the nearby, because I'm not exactly overflowing with fuel. I'm certainly not going to make this trip without having to stop off. What is likely to be populated? That's an interesting name. I have no data. Wait. Why is that not the next? I'm so confused. Alright, okay. YOLO. I could always call the fuel rats, but I think they would probably laugh at me. I really hope there's something in this next one. With a name like that, you'd think there would be. Refuel. Fantastic. See, I would dearly love to be playing Star Citizen, but at this stage, it just crashes too much. And the other thing I find is the control bindings are very confusing right now. Maybe it's just me, but yeah, I have a very hard time figuring out how to do anything in Star Citizen right now. I mean, I'm sure it was the same as this. It took me a long time to, learn all the mechanics in this, but yeah, having to contend with the early stage of Star Citizen's development is, yeah. Also, the fact that every patch is like 28 gig for Star Citizen, and they just updated it, so um, pretty sure if I wanted to play it like right now, I don't think I could.
Docking request granted. Landing gear deployed.
One day though, maybe this new update will keep it stable enough for me to sort of sink my teeth into it a bit, because I got some nice ships I want to play around with in that, and it does look just, that game is going to be so very, very good when it releases properly. I can't wait, especially like once I've got a Rift as well, or a Vive, depending on how things go there. Oh, yes, I know I'm loitering. Sheesh. I'm approaching this backwards, aren't I? Yeah, I'm good.
Docking successful. Engines disengaged.
Actually, there's a shipyard around here. I could probably just buy something better than this. Well, more suited to the play style I should probably be adopting right now. Hmm. Yes, there was some alien structures discovered by the good people of Reddit. I think it was the people of Reddit. Let's not say things we can't take back. Um, I just want to know what's happening where. Maybe we just trade. What do you got? Yeah, it doesn't matter anyway. And you don't have a shipyard, so bleh. On the road again.
Ship released. Engines engaged. Landing gear retracted.
Alright, let's go. Go, go, go. Ah, and of course I used the wrong thing. What happened to the frame ship? The friendship drive lady. Or has she been there the whole time and my brain's just tuning it out? Are we there yet? Yeah, no. Yeah, once again, apologies for the low energy, relatively quiet stream. I'll do my best to kick whatever this is I've got at the moment and be back up to strength shortly and streaming fun, exciting, loud things. I just felt the need for something low energy tonight. And somehow that translated to me plugging in my throttle and stick, so go figure. Okay. Where is my stuff? Wait a minute, there's conflict zones here. Maybe we don't want to go get the Cobra just yet. Maybe we want to get blown up instead. Let's go get involved in someone else's fight. Actually, looking at the rebuy cost of my ship, maybe that's not such a good idea. You know what? Bugger it. You can all laugh at me losing my ship and barely being able to afford to rebuy it. Ten new contacts. Oh no, 10 contacts lost. never sure about. Is that... Yeah, that's right. I was going to say, is that on this side of the planet or the other side? But it's on this side. Also, it looks like they've dimmed things that are behind the planet now, which is nice. I feel like joining the side of the defense force is probably wise.
Target shields online.
Alright, yeah. Should probably put some power into my weapons. That seems like it would be a sensible thing to
Offline.
be doing. Stop moving.
Target destroyed.
I mean, that could have gone worse. That's the wrong button. That's also the wrong button. How... What did I bind? Ah, okay.
Target shields offline.
How far away are you? 4Ks.
Target destroyed.
Yeah, this is fine. This is all good so far. Pandarin says hi. Still, I'm so bad at people's online handles.
Target shields offline.
I really am terrible. I apologize to everyone whose handle I've got wrong.
Integrity compromised.
Oh, shit.
Shields offline. Under attack.
Someone's got some fight, I guess.
Under attack. Target shields online.
Well, that won't do.
Target shields offline. Warning, temperature critical.
Damn.
Under attack.
How am I doing? Not great. Oh, yeah, actually. Let's, maybe
Shields online.
get back off a little bit.
Cannot comply.
Yeah, right. Can we go now? Yeah. Oh, sorry, Lucan. Animals under feet everywhere. Alright. Let's go get repaired. That was fun and not completely unprofitable, I think. 44 grand. I can't remember. I don't think that's much, but it's 44 grand I didn't have before. Can't believe I just said that. Well, I think we're going to dock and get into another ship, and then I'm going to call it a night, because I feel like I've been smoking asbestos cigars for a few days. So I'm going to go rest once we're parked. Go back to bed for me. Excuse me. Let's see. What do we got in the way of new ships? There's different kinds of asps now? Oh, okay. It's cheaper than the Explorer. Hmm. I do like the asp, but I think I'd rather have the Explorer. But if I buy that, I got like no money left, and I'm pretty sure its cargo capacity is 38 tons. Well, I mean, it's better than um, it's better than the cargo capacity of my Python. Type 7. That's what I sold. No, I had a Type 9. Yeah. Hmm. So if I sold this thing, I could buy a Type 9. Nah. Do you like me an asp? Well, for now, we have a Cobra. And I'm going to call the stream there. Um, so yeah, thank you all so much for bearing with me while I'm under the weather and for sticking with my channel. I couldn't do it without everyone who comes in and people who interact in the chat. You keep me going for 16 days so far, and you're going to keep me going for well over 300 more. So it's always appreciated, and until tomorrow, or whenever we next meet, be good to each other. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Good night.